Hello, I am Viviana Morrando and I am a developer here in PAL Robotics, developing controller for Tiago Pro robot.
I'm Jordan Palacios. I'm a software engineer here at PAL Robotics and I've been working here for more than 15 years now.
My name is Martina and I work as a robotics engineer in the navigation team.
My name is Daniel Valencia and in PAL Robotics now I'm in the IT team, currently working in the middle of the IT team and the devs.
My name is Sophie and I just started my internship here at PAL.
I'm Sergi and I'm a control engineer at PAL Robotics.
I choose to become a programmer because I love the challenge of transform a line of code into real world. So like a movement of the robot or a behavior or even a personality of the robot.
I always wanted to be an inventor, to create things, and robotics was the main work that allows me to do this. So I wanted to be a programmer and a mechanical, everything that allows me to build robots.
I hope that my work sets the company moves forward in the sense that we make the robot more user-friendly during the navigation, especially with all the Arvids tools that my team and I created brand new for everyone to use.
Let's see what I work like at the very low level. I'm very close to the hardware, the mod, the actuator, the sensors. I'm trying to always keep myself up to date with the latest technologies and to make all the software that we do in the robots to be stable and easy to use for other users that are here at the company itself.
So AI is an important thing for us. It normally helps in little things as kind of errors that we can have in the program or stuff like that, but normally now in ChatGPT 5 or Gemini Pro, it's helping a lot in doing more programs more complex.
So I don't only use AI as a tool to help me code, but also like reinforcement learning is a way of AI. So I'm using AI to move our robots in different scenarios.
Actually, I never imagined to be a part of the future of robotics, but I really like how fast the robotic community moves and brings novelties in the world, and I'm proud to be part of this development.
No, not at all. I was very lucky to get into this company as early as I did on my career, and it's been really impressive the amount of changes that I've seen in the whole time that I've been here.
Well, no, a few years ago I think I was doubting either become a doctor, like getting into medicine or getting into engineering, and I really like the challenge of engineering, so now I'm here and doing all those innovative stuff.
For sure, my favorite robot here in PAL is Tiago Pro because it's the robot I work most with. It's a mobile manipulator that I can work with creating tasks, developing skills, and also because it looks more like a friendly cartoon than a scary robot that could take over the world.
Because Stopbot is a simple and effective robot. It's easy to do, it's easy to work with the robot, it has only 3 things to do, so that's perfect. We don't need so complex robots.
So it's a hard question because all robots are amazing, but my favorite is Kangaroo, I think, because it's the one I work with daily and the design is amazing.